సార్ మీరు మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారు.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In the present class, now I am going to present the topic, the difference of specific heats of the gases. We know that specific heats for the gases are two types. One is molar specific heat at constant pressure. The second one, molar specific heat at constant volume. So they are denoted by Cp, Cv respectively. Okay, so here in this present class, we will derive the expression for Cp minus Cv. This is for both real gas and van der Waals gas. Okay, we know that ideal gases are perfect gases. Obey the equation PV equal to RT, right? The real gases obey the equation, van der Waals equation, that is P plus A by V square into V minus V equal to RT. So we use those two expressions here in this derivation. Okay, so our intention is, our approach is, we have to obtain the expression for Cp minus Cv. This is for both real gas and van der Waals gas, right, sir? Now, according to the definition of specific heat at constant pressure, Cp equal to dou Q by dou T at constant P. Similarly, mathematically, we write Cv, molar specific heat at constant volume, Cv equal to dou Q by dou T over V. Okay, then now you consider Cp minus Cv. Cp minus Cv equal to, substituting these two values, dou Q by dou T at constant P minus dou Q by dou T at constant V. Okay, sir. But according to the second law of thermodynamics mathematical expression, we have dou Q is equal to T into dou S, right? So by substituting that, so this equation becomes T dou S by dou T over P minus T dou S by dou T over A. Okay, now just keeping these points, and let us move. In that expression, by taking T common, dou S by dou Tp minus dou S by dou T Vc. Here, entropy is the function of temperature and volume. This also we discussed in the first TDS equation. Okay, S is the function of temperature and volume, and the ds is perfect differential. Then ds is equal to, how can we write, dou S by dou T dt plus dou S by dou V dV. When you differentiate, when you take the partial differentiation of entropy with respect to temperature, then volume kept constant. And for the partial differentiation with respect to volume, then temperature is constant. So that's why here we got two terms, because this is the function of two variables. One is temperature, the second one volume. Then whenever ds is perfect differential, that can be written as dou S by dou T into dt over V plus dou S by dou V dV, here temperature constant. So you differentiate this equation with respect temperature at constant volume. Okay, so this equation we are differentiating with respect temperature at constant pressure. Then left side, what you get, dou S by dou T is equal, right side, because we are differentiating with respect temperature, then dou S by dou T V is constant, dou S by dou T over V, dt by dt is 1 plus here dou S by dou V T, and by differentiating the dV with respect to temperature, then we get the another term, dou V by dou T at constant P. Right, sir. So from this, in this equation, you bring this term dou S by dou T over V left side. Okay, dou S by dou T P minus dou S by dou T V is equal to, right side we have dou S by dou V over T and dou V by dou T over V. But according to the Maxwell third thermodynamic relation, dou S by dou V over T equal to dou V by dou T over V. Many times I told you that you should thoroughly about the Maxwell four thermodynamic relations. In every derivation, we are using these four equations. In clashes Clapeyron derivation, we used the first TDS equation, in deriving the second TDS equation, deriving the third TDS equation. In yesterday's CP by CV equal to gamma derivation. Everywhere we are using the Maxwell thermodynamic. So the intention or the purpose of Maxwell thermodynamic relations in this chapter is by using that Maxwell thermodynamic relation, simply we're explaining the gaseous system. So both real gas system and ideal gas system. So that's why you should thorough these four equations. Right. Dou S by dou V over T equal to dou P by dou T over P. So you substitute this value here. Okay. Then the left side, LHS you write same, dou S by dou Tp minus dou S by dou Tv equal to right side, dou S by dou Vt replaced by dou P by dou Tv. So that is written here, dou P by dou Tv and remaining term dou V by dou Tp. So, but dou S by dou T over P represents what? That is Cp. Dou S by dou T over V represents what? Cv. So left side, we can write Cp minus Cv is equal to Cp minus Cv. Here T into, okay. In that equation, you substitute this value in this above equation 1, sir. Equation 1. Then Cp, what is the equation 1? This one. Okay. T into dou S by dou Tp. In this, we substituted. Then Cp minus Cv equal to T. Right side, dou P by dou Tv and dou V by dou Tp. Okay. So this is the general equation. This is the general equation for the difference of Cp and Cp. Okay. Using this expression, so let us discuss the case for ideal gas and for real gas. You don't confuse ideal gas and perfect gas. Ideal gas is also called as perfect gas. Okay. Now, first the case we will see for real gas, ideal gas or perfect gas. We know that ideal gas obey the equation what? PV equal to R. So you differentiate this equation with respect to temperature. Then dou P by dou T at constant volume. Dou P by dou T at constant volume. So then left side what you get here, left side what you get, by differentiating this expression with respect to temperature, I am writing dou P by dou T, dou P by dou T at constant volume, right? Since V constant, we written as this, that equal to right side R, dou T by dou T1. From that, dou P by dou T, V is equal to R by V, R by V. Okay. Similarly, you differentiate that equation with respect to temperature at constant pressure. Then we get dou V by dou T at constant pressure. At constant pressure is equal to, at constant pressure, P constant. We are differentiating V, dou V by dou Tp equal to right side R. Then dou V by dou Tp equal to R by P. Let us substitute these two values in this equation, because we got dou P by dou T value and dou V by dou Tp value. We are substituting these two values in this equation. Okay. Then Cp minus Cv equal to T, dou P by dou Tv, that is R by V, dou V by dou Tp, R by P. Okay, RT, in the denominator we have PV, in the numerator RT. In the numerator RT term, P and V term cancel because PV equal to RT. So what left there? R. Finally here we got Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Therefore, the conclusion is, for real ideal gas or perfect gas, the difference of molar specific heats at constant pressure and constant volume, Cp minus Cv equal to capital R. Okay, so this is one thing, sir. Now, let us see the second case, that is for real gas. All of you know that real gas obeys what equation? Van der Waals equation. What is the Van der Waals equation? T plus A by V square, T plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. Okay. Okay. P plus A by V square into V minus B equal to RT. Again, here also, first differentiating with respect temperature at constant volume. So at constant volume, while we are differentiating, then V minus B is constant, right? It is written. Then you differentiate this term, first term, P plus A by V square. V minus B into dou P by dou T V plus dou by dou T of A by V square, because A constant, volume constant, this will be 0. Then we get this one. V minus B into dou P by dou T over V equal to capital R. So from this, dou P by dou T over V equal to, bring V minus B that side. So that comes into the denominator, R by V minus B. This is equation 1. Again, you differentiate this equation with respect to temperature at constant pressure. Then P plus A by V square is constant. V minus P we are differentiating with respect temperature. Then you will get dou V by dou T at P plus V minus B taken constant into differentiating P plus A by V square. There dou V by dou TP and A by V square differentiation minus 2A by V cube. Minus 2A by V cube into dou V by dou TP, that equal right side R constant dou T by dou T 1 side. Okay, followed. So what we are doing, we are differentiating this expression with respect to temperature at constant pressure. So in P plus A by V square volume term is there, in the V minus B volume term is there. Therefore, in UV method, okay, first here P plus A by V square taken constant, right? Dou by dou T of this, then you will get this one, dou V by dou TP plus V minus B taken constant, differentiation of P plus A by V square, P 0 because constant, A by V square differentiation what, minus 2A by V cube into, again we are differentiating V with respect temperature, then you will get dou V by dou TP, right side R side. Okay, now in this expression, you take the common, dou V by dou Tp taken common. Then the first term, P plus A by V square plus V minus B into minus 2A by V cube equal to R. Okay. But from Van der Waals equation, P plus A by V square is equal to RT by V minus B. Okay. P plus A by V square equal RT by V minus B. So you substitute that value in the above equation, right, sir? So then what you get? Substituting that value in the above equation, dou V by dou Tp in bracket, P plus A by V square is replaced by RT by V minus B minus 2A by V cube written first into V minus B equal to right side capital. From this, dou V by dou T constant P is equal to R. This total bracket term comes into the denominator right hand side. Right hand side R capital R divided by RT by V minus B minus 2A by V cube into V minus B. Right. This is the equation 2. Okay. Now Cp minus Cv. Cp minus Cv is equal to, we have the basic formula T, dou P by dou Tv and dou V by dou Tp. So now here we got dou P by dou Tv, dou V by dou Tv. Again, these two values substituted here. Then Cp minus Cv equal T, dou P by dou Tv, R by V minus B, dou V by dou Tp, R by this value, RT by V minus B minus 2A by V cube, V minus B. Okay, R into T, RT by V minus B into R. In the denominator, just we are taken common RT by V minus B. Then 1 minus 2A by V cube into V minus B whole square by RT, because there is no term that. Therefore, V minus B comes into the numerator, V minus B into V minus B whole square, RT comes into the denominator. Okay. So in this RT by V minus B taking common. 1 minus 2a by v cube, v minus b whole square by RT. So here this RT by v minus b, this RT by v minus b cancel. So that gives capital R by 1 minus 2a into v minus b whole square by v cube RT. V minus b whole square term taking expansion, v square plus v square minus 2vb. V square plus b square minus 2vb. Comparing to the volume of the gas in the vessel, total volume of the gas, B value is very small. Then B square value 2VB volume can be neglected. Okay. In the expansion of V minus B whole square, comparing to the V square, B square and 2VB terms can be neglected. So then you can take B equal to 0. Then this will be V square. Capital R by 1 minus 2a v square by v cube RT, and v square cancel. Then in the denominator only 1 minus 2a by VRT left side. Okay. So that is Cp minus Cv equal to capital R by 1 minus 2a by VRT. So this term you write in the numerator, then R into 1 minus 2a by VRT inverse. Okay. So again it is 1 plus x whole power n form. According to the binomial expansion, 1 plus x whole power n equal 1 plus nx plus something. Higher terms are neglected. Only the first two terms taken. 1 minus into minus gets plus 2a by VRT. Cp minus Cv equal to capital R into 1 plus 2a by VRT. So this is the difference of molar specific heats at constant pressure and constant volume for real gas. For ideal gas or perfect gas, we got the expression Cp minus Cv equal to capital R. For real gas, Cp minus Cv equal to capital R into 1 plus 2a by VRT. Okay. In this expression also simply you can remember when you talk about the real gas, ideal gas, because there is no discussion of van der Waals constant A. Then you put value A equal to 0, Cp minus Cv equal to R. Cp minus Cv equal to R. Okay. So in this present class, we derived the expression for Cp minus Cv both for real gas and van der Waals gas.